what kind of worker will benefit the most from the introduction of advanced AI tools? Is it the high performer who will quickly learn how to use these tools and take his or her performance to the next level? Or could it potentially be the broader segment of the workforce who now will be able to work in much smarter and more productive ways? This specific question has been studied by Professor David Autor from MIT, and what he found was actually that the broader segment of the workforce with AI will get access to knowledge and skills that up until now has been only the privilege of the high performers. So there will be a disbursement or a transfer of skills through the AI models, so that the knowledge and the capabilities will become available to a much broader segment of the workforce and may really enable a lift of the entire workforce as a result of this, in terms of the capabilities and the skill sets of that broad segment. Super interesting to think about and to learn more about, and I will be linking to the research here.